Indoda Haikali.
Time for Indoda Haikali. It's Tuesday afternoon now on Midday Connection and Usila on Gaga CFM. And we've been speaking, no, Sonic, a bit to good. Sometimes you can be attracted to umuntu wesifazane that's not necessarily attracted back to you. Or noma mhlawumbe ngathi attracted, mhlawumbe ungathanda umuntu ongakuthandi, you know what I mean? But siben ugcina entertain, ugcina umfonela, ugcina umncenga, ugcina naye kube sengathi khona kunikeza yona kodwa ayikho kunikeza yona, but ugcina kunaleyo nto nje ukuthi ngathi you're chasing after a ghost, so to speak.
Mhlawumbe futhi uzufole under pressure udede lama benefits umphathe soft aza ku entertain athi azokuthini what game guy le ndamfuna, but you always need to convince that person ukuthi hayibo ngikhona ngithande
nanokuthi into emconvince the most iwona lama gifts
benefits
ikha ilesikhathi ilento ama movie airtime imali oyimsendela yona iyonto ecishe ngathi uyak entertain kancane kanti akanandaba nawe unandaba nalezi zinto ozenzayo. So siphethe namhlanje babundabe ukuthi asisize sidikide le ndaba ukuthi why do as humans do we crave one-sided love babundabe?
Mkhayana, romantic rejection is very, very fascinating.
Sure.
Because it stimulates the parts of the brain that are associated with motivation, reward, addiction, and craving. Those three areas of the brain. And unfortunately, those three areas of the brain, they mess you up because they will then hit back into your childhood. You were rejected, you were disregarded, and you experienced childhood emotional neglect. So you're not connected fully to any person. You were a child who was moving from hand to hand.
You know, it's got a child neglection.
Emotional childhood neglection. Abazali bakho neglect you emotionally, who do not nurture you, who do not ask you questions, who do not validate you, and who do not touch you. Yeah. So continuously feel invalidated by your parents.
Leon Dopeti iyona futhi ekhoza ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna intombazane amantombazane mhlawumbe unattainable ugcina ucrave ukuthi ufuna iattention yabo futhi ngene ekweletini uzama
ukuthola you become a caricature in your own consciousness. Yabo ubona umzimba wakho now ngiyitourist emzimbeni wami because you're no longer feeling
awusazazi udidekile
awusazazi ukuthi ubani usisi is breadcrumbing you. He's putting you on the loop. Ungconyo lo okubackbenchayo. Athi Khaya okay, Sonic nginokhaya.
Yeah.
Uyazi indaba yami nokhaya mfethu ukuthi njani kodwa ngicela ukubeka ebenchini.
Yeah.
Yabo. Kodwa makwenzeka ngibona ukuthi ulahla iside always. Nangampela athi keep to her words.
Is it possible bamndabe ukuthi nibe ku relationship? Vele niyathandana.
Yeah.
But uyabona ukuthi lento ngimnikezana akanginikezi back. Uthando, iattention, isikhathi, it's not reciprocated. It's as if
entitled.
Yeah,
ufanele ngabe wenza nje.
Akuthethise
umungenzi.
Accuse for not meeting them halfway nabangani bakhe over a gig that is available when ekubeni ungabanikeza Sonic VIP access. You know that. I tell Sonic, it confuses me because you want me. Honestly, is this what you are promising?
Yeah.
Trying to meet her needs. But those are not needs. She's now being manipulative, sisters.
Because we are born to weak.
Yeah, basically craving for her, ne romantic attainment, even imbalance. The more you fika ngesandla vele nyuke kakhulu. Yabo. Bese bakho ni weekend ongamtholile kuyona from Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Ayi ugula.
Shama miss call 75.
17 missed calls. What's ndaba enhle 17 missed calls.
Yay!
You've been setting yourself up for failure.
You are literally setting yourself up for failure. Usisakakuthandi. THANDI akakuthandi.
Manje ngibona kanjani ke ukuthi akangithandi bamndabe?
Because uma usufuna umvuzo omkhulu noma usufuna phela ukumthinta athi makhaya ushaheni vele.
But what if mhlawumbe iphethe kahle akayena umuntu mhlawumbe ufuna into enjalo mhlawumbe akafuna ukurusha kwezinto enjalo mhlawumbe nama principles mhlawumbe ukuthi yena kalali before ashade. So how do I know ukuthi
angithandi? So nikizolo kade mphethe kahle.
Okay, but here's the deal Khaya. Angithi indaba enzeke last week. Wangamthola ecingweni. Usijobheke nje kade ngikufuna from Thursday athi can you get this thing clear from the onset? Me and you are not an item. So I don't understand why you would be so cross about the idea ukuthi angitholanga. Please let's observe our boundaries.
Sengizokublock manje ukuze sikwazi ukukhuluma. Uqolise wena. Hayi ngiyaxolisa.
And into engayithandi, it's when ekshintsha kwenza uSpeedy Gonzalez wakhe. Yeah. Awenza uPopeye ugcina usugijima, kushona kuba ugijima namakesi ehansa ugijima enze zonke izinto zakubo. Kodwa khona umjida wakhe la.
Ongaziwa nakubo.
And uthola iVIP table. And then unfortunately gcina seseva wena.
Sisahleli nobamndabe sikhuluma indoda ayikhali. We're talking about one-sided love. Why as amadoda do we crave women
that don't want us?
Ish abangasifuni gcina siba entertain. Basikhombisa kodwa
mihla namalanga.
Ba ignore.
Oh Nkosi yami.
Why do we obsess over women that reject us? We do observe.
Hayi, masibuya saqhubeka nalelo daba. #indoda ayikhali. Umbuzo umile namhlanje. Why do humans crave one-sided love? Mina madoda ngangayithola ngisesimeni. That was really, really awkward. So, Melo sisi ngase ngimfune for the longest time.
Sure.
And I think to my advantage, why entertainer kwakhona lokho ukuthi okay kodwa sisayingane. Kanti uzongi-invite ngelinye ilanga to umcimbi wakhe kubo. Uma ngifika mfethu ngigcine yabo ngisocialize phela nabantu yabo gcine ngizona nomunye umjida engingamazi. You know, the next time I saw this guy came to my gig wanting to talk to me. Wayekhala ngalo muntu ethi usemfuna isikhathi eside udlala ngaye wara yabo. And I'm like, how? I needed somebody to talk to. Uzoduduzwa yimina nami. In the same situation now. Ngamduduza bamndawe.
Hey,
and ngathi ngimduduza. Yonke imbuza ngimbuza yona yena.
Ngikuze nanqo nawe.
It's been okay. Mina ngitheneke kulo mbuzo lo. Uthi bani indaba umchesa kangaka ngoba uyakhombisa ukuthi
akadingi.
Yeah. I was traumatized in 1981 and I learned a lesson. Angithi umubheka wemkhana nawe Sonic. The chase is the process of attaining the unattainable. But the danger with that, we are drawn to toxic women because there is a toxicity within us. So this toxicity within us tends to align with the toxicity of a woman that you are chasing.
So you can basically see how toxic you are by the kind of
people you're attracted to.
By the people that you chase. You know
and why would I go out of my way and go and chase a toxic woman?
Low self-esteem.
Okay.
Poor self-image, lack of self-belief, nokungabi nayo confidence in partner selection.
So is it not the case ukuthi mhlambi uyamthanda type yakho?
No, I don't think uyamthanda. It could be just infatuation. Ungakhohlwa, infatuation is going to undermine you.
But the situations whereby environment ayikho right. Mhlambe you are craving for that one-sided love, uyayikhupha wenzani. Bese kuthiwa inhliziyo yayiphakela.
Iyaphakela inhliziyo, that's a lie.
Why do you say that?
Inhliziyo iyaphakelwa. Khaya khona into nje. Would you marry a woman with 4 kids with different fathers? When?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Iyaphakelwa inhliziyo.
No, but what if I fall in love with a woman like that?
Okay. With 4 kids?
Yeah, ngenza example.
Okay.
Okay. Why would you then sacrifice the woman that you truly love with 1 kid yakho and only to go in and fall for a woman who's got 4 kids?
But does that make it wrong? Because does that mean that does it mean umuntu wesifazane onengane ezo4 then
no, it doesn't not that he doesn't deserve to be a man, but I'm worried about you. Ukuthi wahlukana through choice yakho.
Sure.
With a very decent woman who loved you to pits.
Sure.
Wasumesapa, then you ended up with a 4-baby mama kid.
So the question is, if let's just put that in inverted commas, making it wrong, ne? And not saying it kuyoba wrong, but I'm sure konanda bashate na banda banengane zo4 noma ngane zo3.
But ubheka masenior la ukengile ko 55 usuke seqoqa. Wena usuke usadinga ukuthi
uphile your life to the fullest. Yeah.
But my question then, gentlemen, is this then, ukuthi, if that is wrong, how do I avoid getting there? Like, how do I not make mistakes where I should have made better decisions, for an example, of fixing my life with someone, and so forth and so on, then rather leaning towards umuntu toxic or
I've noticed a common trend among those men. They have severe mother issues. They were not properly nurtured by their own mothers. And Mupega, it was disorganized. It was disorganized attachment. They were disorganizedly attached to their mothers. So what then happened was that this feeling of attaining what cannot be attained grow strong.
Because
she's searching for her mother in all these women. Only to find a semblance of her mother is found in this particular woman.
From a psychology.
How can we fix this? Khona umjito lalele right now unalenkinga ku relationship noma uyaphesua. Even ladies too are in that same situation of
bafuna attention yendoda azigahlakayi.
How do we fix this?
First, you must create your own emotional boundaries. What are my boundaries in partner selection? Am I healed or my pain is searching for association? Because any weakness here too, we seek for love when we're only seeking for comfort and protection. Because most women that we meet are not offering us safe space for us. There's a new thing that is going on, Kai. Most men are crying foul, but they are demanding that we become their safe space.
Yes.
But what is happening now is that they're not prepared to offer us safe space. Safe space, yes.
No chaos. Drama
and peace
and peace.
No argument and challenge for 4 hours not because both of you are TV and you listen to yourselves and in express uthando silently because there's deep love in silence. So each child with emotional neglect each childhood emotional neglect, it contributes immensely from attraction deprivation. Human beings by their nature, they're depraved when it comes to partner selection. So we tend to gravitate towards women that will give us the mother that we do not have, or a partner who will treat us exactly shabbily like our mothers treated us.
Would you suggest that both partners that find themselves in that, and I'm one-sided, but that see themselves with babe rejected as ingane or noma babe crave leyo attention ya ma abangayitholanga bese abancane, do you suggest they can come together in therapy together to deal with, or must they go to therapy separately?
With therapy so that there can be an experience of the identification of their wounds. Together. Okay. Because if each one of them identify the wound, then they separate. They get an opportunity, a space around which they can turn to their wounds. I've had a very strange experiences in my practice, okay? Where we figure about the tension between us and we're on the boiling point. Gibak cancel so effectively. Babu, Baba, after you helped us, we came to a conclusion which were not good for each other.
Yo!
Sure.
But you identified flaws, serious flaws. I'm happy because I'm a factory flaw. I'm a factory fault.
Asifaka wena mlaleli lokaka CFM asazi mhlambe wakwethola usesimeni so crave one-sided love uthanda umuntu ongakuthandi ufuna umuntu ongakufuni. Call us right now 0861 596 596. Sikinvitile kodemlaleli lokaka CFM sifuna ukuzwa uvo lwakho on the matter in hand of why do humans crave for one-sided love. Inzima le bamdabe. Yazi nami sengilo ngishama inspection of my past.
The most humiliating thing is when a woman goes to another man. Is
that a good thing to do though?
Go wrong. Father, I to develop the skill to approach with Ndabe. Don't go forward with this because I don't like you.
What about guys in relationships with abantu besifazane and they come to Kaya vethi ngikubonile udemi thekeni yami yeke.
There's nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong.
Yeah. Okay. But if I be careful, akhulume kahle. Athi mfowethu ngizama ukuphemba lapha.
Sure.
Ngicela mfowethu unginike space.
But the reason why I asked Bamdabe, it's a conversation between two people. Why are we not focusing on injayam?
Lento ngiyafana. There's something that I find very disgusting and inhuman. Ngifike ngishela umuntu osifazane sikhulume kahle, sihlukane siyagijima uya TikTok ya Facebook yokuna in relationship yethu. I find that very inappropriate and psychopathological. Yeah.
Line 1 anonymous sakubingelela kunjani?
Ngiyaphila baba njani?
Siyaphila indoda ekhali, talk to us.
Yabona leyo nto leyo ngiyayazi ibhlungu kabi. Mina nje yake yangehlela it was 2013 ngoba i-relationship yakho yala 3 years. Kuukuthi sihlala in one town kodwa asibonani. Umuntu lapho uzokubona uthi uma uthi uyacomplaina ngezinto ngani akufakela imali akucheke WhatsApp i-call yakhe ngokuyithola ngeke umbone yena. Kuukuthi manje ngangibuka ukuthi okay maybe ngithanda i-character yakhe yena as a person nakangithandi kodwa futhi mangithi ngimove on akafuni ngimove on uthi uyangithanda akakwazi ukuthi kuyaphila ngaphandle kwami kodwa manje ithini into kunento engaze ngayinotice ngathi lo muntu he is a good father not a good husband.
That's a masterpiece. That's true. Ile breadcrumbing at sikhuluma ngayo. So this guy was breadcrumbing him. This is a dude. This is a dude, Sonic. Wenzi nje. Yes, yes. Why yenza sure ukuthi makwenzeka kubhidlika la ibambele khona ube khona to bail him out.
Exactly.
And that's unfair.
Yebo.
Yeah.
So he's still there, Anonymous, noma mhlambe usuwaphuma?
Hayi ngiphumile kodwa ke yonke into nje usangenza.
Saqamelazile lo nyaka
oluphakathi. Look at this way sisi. Uphumile kodwa izinto usakwenzela.
Kodwa yonke into usangenza nje as normal.
Thank you.
Siyazi ukuthi asathandani.
Sisi mina ngithi phuma ke. Hey. Zama mfethu. Kunzima phuma kodwa.
Nqaba ama benefits. Nqaba.
Angikwazi ukwanqaba phela ingane yamdinga.
Mondla phela ingane yakhe ayikho inkinga. Ngisengikhuluma ngezinye izinto.
Akondla ingane hayi wena.
Mina angisahlangene naye.
Okay. Shout out to you Anonymous.
Angisahlangene naye kodwa nje ingane isase right.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu Anonymous. Sengathi ngikuhambela kahle.
We are gods in human form. So a man without God is a distortion.
Asabe sekline phone nangomunye Anonymous. Anonymous kunjani?
Angiyaphila.
Siyaphila mfethu. Talk to us indoda ekhaya.
Cebe ubona indaba embeleni nokhaya nawo Sonic.
Futhi.
Nami ngingaba kulo nkinga lefa njengaleyo kodwa ke okwami kwakuhlukile ngathi umuntu esifazana nje omuhle umuntu lona engafundi like efunde college. So masitholana naye sikahambe isikhathi phinde buye kumina ngoba umuntu obukeka nomzimba engathi nami yabo nemali ephakethini. So after that ke umuntu esifazana wasecela ukuthi masiya kumina endlini usayiphethe kahle into umuntu wacela ukuthi unenkinga hana abazali cela nginika imali njalo ngenyanga imkhokhelile ikhuzana yakhe ne college uhlale ikhuzana eRS yakhe le yasama college. So cela ukuthi ngimkhokhele. Ngiyambuza ukuthi uzokhokhela ubani uthi nakho ukuthi kube mina engikwenza lokho. Manje yonke into le iyangiconfuse and umuntu ngiyamthanda ngicrazy ngaye. Mangihamba naye abantu abebengcona manje angisazi ukuthi ngenze kanjani. Isishile fanje ngaleyo. Ngisho amathi bomnjabe engasiza lapho.
Yini wenze njani uyakubalekela?
No, oje mangifonela akatholakali yakumthole nje like kuthiwa ngifuna emini. Kodwa ebusuku lethi yamthola khona anginilo attention enkulu unyanje right emva kwalokho ishangivuse emnani emva lokho besikhulume ngisafunda.
Awususpect ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi unomuntu amthandayo?
Why before ngicela wathi unawo umuntu amthandayo kodwa manje uthi yena akasekho sokuyimina kuphela.
Akuthembakali khehla ngizama ukukuprotect angithanda ukuthi ulimale.
Wena ithini inhliziyo yakhe ithini gut feeling yakho uma usuthi uyamfonela umtholi uma usumthola akekho available kahle ithini into yakho?
Into ngithini mhlawumbe busy phone ngoba umuntu
wazamthanda umuntu.
I hope bayezwa abantu besifazane nayi indoda le ethanda umuntu osifazane. I hope ulalele honestly ngempela.
Yeah, impela ngoba inkinga le sinayo usuku umuntu umthanda umbona even masoncunywa naye weza ukuthi nifanelene uvela ugule kakhulu and umuntu ukhuluma mnandi kuwena and uyaso isikhathi akunika isikhathi kodwa umthole efonini mawubuya kuyena usumthethisa uthi angithola ngefonini ngoba manje ngiyomthanda ngayo.
A responde kanjani uma complaint umthola ngefonini?
Uvela thethi uyazi ngiyafunda konke njengalezo uthi busy yabo.
Bafu umuntu mekufuna uzosenza isikhathi for wena umuntu me appreciate isikhathi sakho uzokukhombisa ukuthi yes appreciate futhi wesi masekuthanda uzosacrifice ukwenza sure ukuthi uyabona.
And ubumnandi be relationship into enzenzelana nona no two.
Exactly.
Not what other people think about around nina.
Very true.
So Anonymous awukufocus ukuthi wena as a person in the relationship utholani in return.
Yeah,
Hayi
exactly.
ukuthi abantu bathini.
That's a painful, unrequited love. In other words, it's not reciprocated. This lady is not reciprocating the love that he's getting from the guy. He likes the idea of him, but not the guy.
I'm with you.
See, athina wokugcina abamndaba esiphethe.
I've got a very difficult decision to make here. As a man, when we are pursuing a woman who doesn't like you, just pull off.
And how do you know they don't like you?
Because sex pelu 2 years pursue and is not saying anything to you. And is constantly breadcrumbing you. We are ignorant and there are weekends when he is absent.
100%.
Be careful. Ungathi kusuthola the most steadiest woman ebesiya resurface.
Ngoba usebona sengathi kunomunye umuntu
useyabona ukuthi uyathandeka uyona into ecabanga ukuthi uyona.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nalabantu abahlezi be correct abamndabe. Indaba wena ungabehave ngathi intombi yami, indaba wena ungayiphathi kahle, indaba kuukuthi.
I don't like that. Manipulation and controlling relationship is very disgusting, and it ends when the relationship ends.
Nanokuthi umuntu uyoqhubeka abe lento afuna ukuba yiyona noma ungamtshela.
Isho ngamenzane.
Ngeke umshintshe. Uyena ofanele ushintsho file qhamuka ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Sikuthola kanjani bamndabe?
076663395. Ake ngiphinde mlaleli. 076663395.